Did you know that nearly 40% of all no-start problems come down to simple, overlooked mistakes instead of expensive breakdowns? Stick with me for the next few minutes and I'm handing you 13 battle-tested tricks the pros use to wake up dead engines fast. One of these alone solves over 90% of crank but no-start issues. From stubborn fuel delivery to finicky electronics, these moves get you back on the road without the tow truck drama. Let's dive in. Secret number 13, the hard reset trick. You pull up, turn the key, and nothing. Most people panic and reach for the phone. Truth is, it's rarely catastrophic. Here, the first move every smart driver should know, the hard reset. It works on almost every modern car with a computer brain. Pop the hood, find the negative battery terminal, the black cable, and disconnect it. Leave it off for a full 60 seconds. Not 10, not 30, a solid minute. This wipes the temporary glitches out of the modules and sensors that can lock everything up. Reconnect it nice and tight. While you're there, wiggle the steering wheel a bit and try the key again. While the cable is off, take 2 minutes to scrub those terminals with a wire brush until they shine like new. Corrosion or a loose clamp kills more batteries and starters than actual bad parts. Once everything's clean and tight, many cars fire right up and the check engine light disappears. It's stupidly simple, takes under 2 minutes and saves hours of frustration. The pros do this first for a reason. And if that reset doesn't do it, we're not done yet. The next trick hides inside your fuse box and catches problems that even look fine under testing. Secret number 12, the fuse swap test. A lot of bad parts are actually just weak fuses playing tricks. They can pass a visual check and even a multimeter test but fail when the real load hits. Open your fuse box, locate the fuse for whatever system is dead, fuel pump, ignition, starter, relay, whatever. Grab a matching amp fuse from a non-essential circuit like the horn or cigarette lighter. Swap them, then try starting the car. If it wakes up that original fuse had invisible hairline cracks or heat damage, replace it with a fresh one and you're back in business. I've seen perfect-looking fuses literally snap in half when pinched. This swap is fast, free, and reveals the truth in seconds. Never trust a fuse just because it looks okay. If that one surprised you, the next one feels like pure magic, especially when you're stranded in a parking lot. Secret number 11, the hidden fuel pump shortcut. Fuel pumps don't always die completely. Sometimes the motor inside just gets stuck from debris, worn brushes, or sitting too long. Turn the key to the on position without cranking. Get to the fuel tank, usually accessible from the trunk or under the rear seat. Give the top of the tank a firm smack with the heel of your hand, not hard enough to dent it but a solid jolt. This can free up the pump so it spins again. You might hear a faint hum when it kicks on. Try starting the car right after. I've revived vehicles whose owners were ready to call a tow with nothing but that one good tap. It's a temporary lifeline though, the pump is on borrowed time, so plan to replace it soon. But when you're stuck, it's absolute gold. The next tip fixes cars that run rough or hard to start without throwing obvious codes. Secret number 10, the MAF sensor clean and restore. The mass airflow sensor is a small but critical part in your intake tube. When it gets coated in dirt and oil, the computer gets bad data and the engine runs like it's half asleep, hesitation, rough idle, poor acceleration. Remove it carefully, usually 2 screws and a connector. Never touch the delicate wires inside. Spray it liberally with proper MAF sensor cleaner, nothing else, and let it air dry completely. Reinstall, tighten snug, and start the engine. The difference is usually immediate: smoother idle, sharper throttle response, and better power. This 5-minute job saves people from swapping expensive parts they didn't need. It's one of the highest return on effort fixes out there. Secret number 9, the emergency timing fix. Sometimes the engine computer loses its reference on the crankshaft position. The car misfires, shakes, or refuses to start properly even though nothing is mechanically broken. You'll need an OBD scan tool with bidirectional capability. Plug in, navigate to the Special Functions menu and run the crankshaft position variation relearn or crank relearn procedure. Warm the engine, follow the tool's prompts, usually holding steady RPM until fuel cutoff, then let it idle while the computer learns the new reference. When it completes successfully, the engine smooths out dramatically. It's a hidden step many techs skip, but it can transform a rough-running car. Secret number 8, the brake boost air removal trick. A suddenly spongy brake pedal after a hard stop or brake job often means trapped air in the booster or lines. You don't always need a full bleed right away. Engine off, pump the brake pedal firmly 25-40 times until it feels rock hard. Then hold it down with steady pressure, start the engine and let the vacuum booster do its thing. The pedal should drop slightly as vacuum builds and pushes air out of high spots. It's not a permanent fix, but it often restores firm pedal feel fast, perfect for roadside emergencies. Secret number 7, the tailpipe block test. You can diagnose a clogged catalytic converter or exhaust restriction with zero tools. Start the engine and let it idle. Go to the tailpipe and briefly cover the opening with your hand. A healthy exhaust pushes back strongly with rhythmic pulses. If there's weak or no back pressure, or worse, it sucks your hand in, you've likely got a serious restriction upstream. This quick check explains why a car feels gutless under load even when everything else checks out. Secret number 6, the secret starter tap. A clicking starter that won't spin is often just stuck internally. Locate the starter wheel well or under the hood, then give the solenoid housing a firm but controlled tap with a wrench or heavy screwdriver handle. This jars the brushes and solenoid just enough to free it up. Jump back in and crank. Many times the engine fires right up. It's not a permanent repair, but it gets you home safely when you're stranded. Secret number 5, the coil swap hack. Ignition coils fail one at a time more often than people realize, and they don't always set clear codes. Using a scan tool or by process of elimination, swap a coil from a good cylinder with the suspect one. If the misfire follows the coil, you've found the bad part. Replace it and you're done. This prevents throwing money at multiple coils or unrelated parts. Always make sure connectors click in securely too, loose ones cause the same symptoms. Secret number 4, the vacuum leak spray test. Tiny vacuum leaks can destroy idle quality and performance. With the engine running at idle, spray short bursts of carb cleaner or brake cleaner around intake gaskets, vacuum hoses, and throttle body seals. When the engine RPM suddenly changes, surges, or smooths, you've found the leak. Fix the cracked hose, loose clamp, or gasket and the engine transforms. Secret number 3, the battery terminal dollar bill trick. Poor contact at the battery terminals causes more no-starts than most realize. Fold a dollar bill and slide it under the clamp to take up any gap, then try starting. If it cranks strongly, you know the connection was the issue. Clean the terminals and clamps properly afterward and tighten everything down. This quick test proves the problem in seconds. Secret number 2, the hidden reset button inertia switch. Many cars have a fuel pump inertia switch that trips from bumps or hard braking, killing fuel delivery with no warning. It's usually under the dash, in the trunk, or behind a panel. Press the reset button firmly until it clicks. The car often starts immediately afterward. If it keeps tripping, investigate wiring or mounting issues. Secret number 1, the oil cap smoke test. Remove the oil filler cap on a warm, running engine and observe what comes out. Healthy engines show light vapor. Thick smoke, heavy oil mist, or strong pressure indicates worn rings, valve seals, or excessive blowby. This simple check gives you an honest snapshot of internal engine health without any tools. There you have powerful tricks that can save you thousands and hours of headache. But even after fixing starters, sensors, and leaks, the wrong fluids can quietly destroy everything you just repaired. Click the link below to watch my video on the deadly fluid mistakes that ruin engines from the inside out. If this helped you, drop a comment with which tip saved your car, smash that like button, and subscribe for more pro-level fixes that actually work. I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe out there.